say one of the most beautiful views in Australia.
Okay, so we just jogged all the way up Castle Hill. As you can see, I've got the correct workwear.
Got up nice and early to watch the sunrise as Nick got up to get ready to get to work.
There are lots of mosquitoes.
Got a good view of Townsville here. We have Magnetic Island right there and Strand right down there, which we'll go down to right after. Hey guys, Maggie Island behind us, lots of mosquitoes up here. We've just made it down to the Strand with a beautiful view of Maggie Island, and it is an absolutely gorgeous morning and pretty nice to be down here not being swarmed by mozzies. We're gonna go have some nice brekkie now and then pop an antihistamine and call it a day. Hey guys, we've just had a great breakfast. Went to Grandma's Cafe where we had some shakshuka, which is a Lebanese breakfast. Now we're just gonna go home, take a nap, get some energy, and then continue making our way south. We had a great time here in Townsville with Nick and Marina and hope to see them again soon. We are all refreshed after having a nap and ready to hit the road again. So where are we off to today? We're just leaving Townsville and we're heading to Airlie Beach, which is about 300 kilometers south from here. We'll take about 3.5 hours-ish to get there. Now, Airlie Beach is known as being the gateway, one of the other gateways to the Great Barrier Reef, but it's also really known for being the gateway to the Whitsunday Islands. Now, these islands are, so it's a group of 74 islands, the largest of which is Whitsunday Island, which houses Whitehaven Beach, which happens to be one of my favorite places in Australia, if not the most favorite place in Australia, and I'm really excited for Adela to see this. So we're gonna head there this afternoon, and then we'll head to the islands in a couple of days. And we've got a few other stops on the way there, so we'll just keep heading south now.
I'm really excited to go to Whitehaven Beach, as I've been hearing about it since the first day I met there.
I noticed now the terrain, landscape and vegetation has changed now. Prior, when we were up north, there was all tropical rainforest and palm trees. Now we're in drier terrain with it's now becoming eucalyptus trees, and you'll also notice a lot of mango trees around here. Hey guys, we just got to Bowen on our way down to Airlie Beach, and for anyone who knows me and my absolute obsession with mangoes, we had to stop here at the Big Mango. So Bowen is actually quite famous in Australia, known for their mangoes, the Bowen mango, which is known as actually one of the largest mango species in the world, and it's actually one of the most delicious and sweet mangoes too. So as you can see here right behind me, we have the Big Mango, and funny story, a few years back this was actually stolen. I don't know how good it is. 3 stories big and weighs about 10 tons, but it was actually stolen and hidden somewhere. And stories are that Nando's, the grilled chicken chain, actually was behind that as a publicity stunt, which is pretty funny. Just got ourselves some mango sorbet, which is made out of Bowen mangoes. As you can see on the ingredients here, the ingredients are 100% Bowen mango. Let's give this a go. Oh my god, that is some good mango sorbet.
That is amazing. Tamara, how's the mango sorbet?
Oh my god. I literally can't believe there is no added water or sugar or anything to this. It's just mango. It's like the perfect ice cream.
We're just going to do a bit of a
walking now that we've got some energy from our mango sorbets. It was actually quite funny. We got there about 15 minutes after they closed. I saw some lady inside the store. I just knocked on the door, and as she opened it, I said, we really need these mango sorbets. We just came down all the way from Townsville, and she was kind enough to let us get a couple then. Alrighty, we've just checked into our accommodation at Airlie Beach, staying here at the Azure Sea Whitsunday Resort. Got a 1-bedroom suite here, which seems to have everything you need. You've got the kitchen here, dining table here, and then here we have a nice living area. And if we just swing around the corner, we've got the main bedroom here, which seems to be very spacious, and here's the bathroom, which seems to have quite a nice tub with a beautiful view of what's out there. And if we swing again around the corner, we've got a very large patio here, and seems to be a nice view out there, which we'll have to see in the daytime, but I think I can see some boats moving in the distance, probably a water view. And we've just got the pool down here. And here we have Adela, who's already made herself quite comfortable. It's a bit dark, so you can't really see her. Good morning. Let's go check out that view. Beautiful day out here in Airlie Beach. Just be lounging by the pool, catching some sunshine.